Adding and subtracting tens. Remember, pause the video to follow along. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive lessons.
So here's our first equation. We're going to start off with the number 433. We need to add the number 20 to this equation. So as you can see in the place value chart, we have the number 400s, we have 3 tens and 3 ones. We're going to use our 10 squares for this one, so we need to move 2 of these 10 squares into the tens column. That's 1, that's 2. Our new number is 400, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 1, 2, 3. 453.
Were you correct?
Here's the next one that I want you to have a go at. You start off with the number 600, 50, and 4. You need to add 3 tens, which is 30. Your new equation will be 654 add 30. Pause the video and try this now. Right, now that you've had a go, let's see how you got on. So we had 654 and we need to add 30, so we're going to add 3 more 10 squares to the tens column. That's 1, 2, 3. Our new answer will be 610, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 684.
Were you correct?
Right, this time we're going to move on to something slightly different. This time, instead of adding the tens, we're going to try and take away tens. So you start off with the number 356, and I want you to subtract 40. That means we need to take away 4 of the 10 squares from the tens column. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Our new answer will be 316. Here's the next one that I want you to have a go at. Remember, you start off with the number 586. I want you to subtract 60 from the tens column. Write down your new answer. Right, now that you've had a go, we can check your answers. So we started off with 586 and we're going to subtract 60. So we take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see that we've only got 2 10 squares left in the tens column. So our new answer will be 500, 20, and 6. 526.
Were you correct?
Right, this next question is very similar to the last one. We start off with the number 568 and I want you to subtract 60. So I start off with 500, 60 and 8. We're going to subtract 60. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have no more 10 squares in the tens column. So our new answer will be 58. Sorry, have I made a mistake? Let's check that again. Right. 568. Subtract 60. Even though we have no more tens in the tens column, we don't leave it blank. We put a 0 in there as a placeholder. So our new answer should be 508.
Were you correct?
Right, time for your independent task. I have a list of 6 questions here. I want you to work through them each one by one, and I want you to think carefully about your answers. Remember, the ones on the left are all addition questions, and the ones on the right are all subtraction questions. Good luck, have a go. Right, let's check your answer. For number 1, 843, add 20 will give you 863. The next one, 278, add 10 will give you 288. Number 3, 936, add 60 will give you 996. The last one in the addition equations, 245, add 40 will give you 285. Right, moving on to subtraction. 225, subtract 10 will give you 215. $693, take away 60 will give you 633. The next one, 732, take away 30 will give you 702. Did you remember that placeholder 0 in the middle? And the last one, 481, subtract 50 will give you 431.
Were you correct?
Subscribe.